This is a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It has an 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Features include cruise control, a keyless entry system, fog lamps, a stability control system, OnStar, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, and this vehicle has fewer than 63,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.